Okay, here we are now. We're going to take a look at the major triads. We're going to do all 12 keys. And the best way to look at the major triads is separating the individual, what we call degrees. Major triad is the first, third, and the fifth degree, or the first, third, and fifth note of the major scale. So where they're formed, here's the major scale. We got the first, third, and the fifth note. That grouping is referred to as a major triad. Okay? What we're going to do here is we're going to learn the individual notes here very well by separating them. We're going to take a look at level 1 right now. We're going to go through 6 levels and through all 12 keys. Okay? So we're starting off, first of all, left hand's going to be playing a half note. So you can use a metronome if you like. You're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can count out loud. Metronomes will really help you a lot if you have one to use. If not, you can count out loud like I'm going to do here. Okay? So you're going to start off with C. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can either hold it down and keep it down, or you could play separate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can hold it down for actually a whole note if you like, while you're playing beats 3 and 4 with a third. Okay? So let's go through all 12 keys. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. The third, B flat. The third of B flat is D. E flat is G. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D flat is F. G flat is B flat, B is D sharp. These are hard to do because you're separating them now. E is G sharp, A is C sharp, D is F sharp, G is B. Now if you have trouble with any of those, you want to go back and really drill those weak keys, okay? Because this is all 12 keys now. You're learning the thirds of all 12 keys. Very, very important. So you'll see the value behind knowing what triads are. These triad formations that you're learning, the inner parts are going to be very valuable at our later level of playing, when you start getting up at the more advanced levels with chordal harmony, improvisation, and all. The thirds are going to be one of the most important notes you're going to need to know. So let's get the thirds in. That's level 1. And you could vary the order through those 12 keys. By looking at the bottom of the page here, you'll see if you'd like, you can, neat thing to do here is you can take this and go down and up, or you can go backwards on the lines. You can do all kinds of things just so you're varying the order, okay? The next level, level 2. Same thing, 2 beats per hand with the fifth, though. C, the fifth of C is G. F is C. B flat is F. E flat is B flat. A flat is E flat. D flat. G flat is D flat. B is F sharp. E is B. A, D is A. G is B. See that? That's all the fifths. So you got to get comfortable. You want to get comfortable with each of these levels first before moving to the next one, because each level in its own way is going to offer a little bit more of a challenge, okay? Level 3 is interesting, and I think it's hard because you're going to keep it together, because you're going to do third for one key, then the fifth the next key. You're going to switch back and forth between the third and fifth, and when you finish the whole cycle, start with the fifth and then go to the third. So each chord's having a chance to be the alternate, okay? Here we go. Starting off with C. 1, 2 to the third, F for the fifth, B flat for the third, E flat for the fifth, A flat for the third, okay, D flat for the fifth, G flat for the third, B for the fifth, E for the third, A for the fifth, D for the third, G for the fifth, C for the third. Then you can do the same thing alternating, okay? Once you're comfortable there, we're going to do ascending thirds, okay? C, and that means you're going to play the third. C is E, F is A. Watch how my hand keeps going higher. E flat is G, A flat is C, D flat, the third is F, G flat, the third is B flat, B, I'm out of your screen here, D sharp. Now start heading back. I ran out of notes on the piano. E is G sharp, A is C sharp, D is F sharp, G is B. See that? How I went through all the way up and then all the way down, okay? Do the same thing with the fifths, okay? Ascending, descending fifths. C is, the fifth is G, F is C, B flat is F, E flat is B flat, A flat, E flat. Back down, B is F sharp, E is B, A is E, D is A, G is B. Awesome. Very, very good exercise to really pull these together. Then you want to do level 6, ascending, descending, thirds and fifth alternating. C is E, F, fifth, B flat, third, E flat, fifth. You might want to do it this way too. A flat, third, D flat, fifth, G flat, third, B, fifth. Now back down. E, third, A, fifth, D, third, G, fifth. And then you can start that series again, starting with a C being the fifth and the F being the third. By working on these this way, it will present a tremendous challenge, okay? Because, again, most people are used to seeing these things like this. But more importantly is to know what the third and the fifth are so you can use them in our everyday playing, okay? Very, very important to understand this concept and why I'm taking this kind of approach where you're separating the hands. By separating the hands, it really gets you to know these particular notes. And you'll see when you start using these in your tunes, the thirds and the fifths and how they're used in the material, how quickly you got to be able to call them up is where this is going to have all made sense to you, okay? So enjoy all keys, major triads. Good luck.